Nick Garrela here with My Florida Green. We're here with our patient Bill that is here for his 7-month follow-up.
Yes.
Which is required by the state. And Bill's got some great news that he'd like to share with the world. Bill, you were taking a bunch of different opioids when you came here, and now what's going on?
I had a very bad infection that I had a lot of pills, and we came here a couple of weeks after I started using the product. They pulled me off the opioids and about 6 other pills, and it's been an amazing journey for me. I had lost over 50 pounds while I was under the doctor's care, still am, but once I started this product, put 18 pounds back on. I sleep well at night. I'm not tossing and turning. Just an amazing trip for me.
So no more opioids?
No more opioids at all. Not in my. And I was taking 4 to 6 a day.
Oh my gosh, that's a recipe for disaster too.
And within 2 weeks after I started this product, gone. Opioids are gone.
That's awesome.
As well as a half a dozen. My bodily functions are back to normal.
Yeah, sleep's good.
Sleep is outrageously good. All functioning, other than I'm still fighting this infection, and I will be for another year or so, but thank goodness for the product that I'm using.
Awesome. Well, I'm very familiar with the whole weight gain and with using cannabis products, but I mean, it's kind of par for the course. It's just really about measuring and balance, I guess. So, but
well, I wasn't eating, and anything I would eat, I would throw up.
Yeah.
And it was just, 6 times a day I was looking for a garbage can. This product stopped all of that. I got my appetite back. I could eat. My stomach has settled to the point that I'm no longer getting sick. Just amazing.
That's awesome.
Just amazing.
Bill, thanks for sharing your story, buddy. MyFloridaGreen.com. Click on Get Started. We'll see you soon.